Ghosts! I wonder what they could be hiding today. Ooh. Ooh. Boo. Boo. Ah! Oh. Boo. Ah! Open them up. What's in there? Ooh, shake, shake, shake. Guess maybe I could help you. Alright, let's see. Don't open me! No! Oh. Ooh, we have a chocolate surprise egg. And this one has space written on it. Cool. And Logan is going to open that one. No, 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 no! Oh, oh, oh. Ooh. A bunny chocolate surprise egg. And Quentin's going to open up that one. Whoa. Look at that. Nice little hole you made.
Oh.
It's okay. Just keep opening it. Good cracking. Good job. Good job. Alright, let's see what Logan got. Well, whatever it is, looks like a lot of pieces.
I got in a car.
Looks like a plane maybe. So we'll put it together and see what it looks like. And let's see what Quentin got.
He got here too.
He got a hovercraft. So now we know that these ones also contain these little cars. I'm trying to find some chocolate eggs with things other than these cars, but so far the only ones I found that don't have the cars are the Winnie the Pooh eggs, and they were out. The frozen eggs, and we just did some of those, and the penguin eggs. So let's open these. It's Mickey's surprise basket time. I'm Mickey Mouse. And in my basket there is a surprise. And each time it's going to be a different surprise. So let's go see our kids and find out what my surprise. See our first kid. Pick out your surprise. What is it? Pick out your surprise. Ooh, today's surprise is a chocolate toy. We're super fast in cracking up those penguin surprise eggs. Look at you guys. Alright, let's see what we got inside.
Me?
Ooh, look at that. A cool penguin top.
My God.
Let's see what you got. Let's see. Cool.
Oh my God.
So that's one of the things that you can collect.
What's Logan got?
I don't see it on here. But I'm sure that the top is one of the cooler toys that you can get. So we're excited about that. And let's see what's in the other egg.
Mine. Look at mine.
Ooh, what is this? Ooh, playing cards. Little penguin playing cards. How cool is that? Let's see what they look like. Wow, these are super little.
My friend here.
Wow, that's so cool.
Take it.
Look at that. They're actually real playing cards. They're so little. That is so cool. And they have penguins on the back. Alright, so that's it for this round of Mickey's Surprise Basket. Some spiders have come. And they brought with them some chocolate surprise eggs. Alright, who are you going to give that chocolate surprise egg to? Logan or Quentin?
Me.
Oh, you're going to give that one to Logan. And what about this Winnie the Pooh egg? Who are you going to give that to? You're going to give it to Quentin. Alright, can I see your egg, Logan? 1 second, don't open it yet. So Logan has one of these Bratz Crazy Girl eggs. So we're going to see what's inside of it. And Quentin is opening the Winnie the Pooh egg. Ooh, this one has the 2 color chocolates. And let's see what we got. You got the rabbit! Yay! So the rabbit goes on the totem pole along with the other Winnie the Pooh characters that you can collect. And so far we have Tigger and we have the cute little purple elephant. And see how they stack into a nice pole? So cute! And the rabbit is really, really cute. And these are pretty good quality. I think they're made out of some kind of wood and they're very fun. Alright, while you're enjoying that chocolate, let's let Logan open his. Wow, it's a big circle chocolate egg. It's actually in the shape of a soccer ball. Look at that. Is that not cool or what?
Back it. Go stupid.
Ooh. Alright, will you enjoy that candy? Let's see what we got in here. Oh, we got another one of those put together airplanes. So we don't have this one yet, but we've been getting a lot of these really fun little put together planes. So we'll put it together and show you what it looks like. Is that chocolate yummy? Okay, here's the plane. All put together. Comes with some wheels. Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Yummy, yummy. Just kidding. I'm a Care Bear. And today I have a chocolate surprise egg. And I'm gonna go bring it in to one of my friends that live here. So let's go see who's gonna get it. And then my friend, another Care Bear, is gonna bring another egg to another friend that lives here. I'm gonna give it to Quentin. Ooh, it's a big one. Look at that. It's a big soccer ball. Okay, let's crack it open. There's the chocolate for you. And here's our toy. Alright, let's see what we got. I hope it's something really fun. It's a plane. Cool. Put together in a few minutes and see what it looks like. But first, let's meet our other Care Bear and our other chocolate. I'm the other Care Bear. Do you know my name? Is it Chair Bear? Cheer Bear? Grumpy Bear? Happy Bear? Share Bear? Let me know. And I have a Winnie the Pooh egg. And I want to give it to my good friend Logan. And Winnie the Pooh is my good friend too. Here you go, Logan.
Oh no.
Ooh.
It's red.
That's okay. You have to crack it to get the toy out anyways. Ooh, but it's got that yummy white chocolate in there.
And brown.
And brown. Let's see what we got here. Yay! It's Winnie the Pooh. We haven't gotten Winnie the Pooh yet. So far we've gotten the elephant and Tigger and the bunny. So let's take a look at what we have here. So we still need to get Eeyore and Piglet and the owl. But so far we have not gotten a duplicate. We are so lucky. So here is Tigger and the bunny, just so you can see how you do this. And you put Winnie the Pooh on top, and you have yourself an adorable wooden totem pole. Is that awesome?
Yeah,
wow. Alright. Hi, I'm Princess Anna, and I'm Queen Elsa. We're going to bring out the next chocolate surprise eggs. Elsa, you said I could bring you out, and you were going to bring me out. Okay, Anna, we'll switch. Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ooh, Elsa, did you freeze these eggs? Yes, it makes them easier to open. Alright, I will bring out the Anna egg. And I get to bring out the Queen Elsa egg. Hey, here is my sister. She is so cool. Here you go. You can have my sister. But be careful. And she froze them nice and solid for you guys. So while Quentin opens up Elsa's egg, Queen Elsa's going to bring out my egg. Hooray! I gave Quentin the Queen Elsa egg, and she froze them nice and solid. So while he's opening Queen Elsa's going to bring Logan my Anna egg. All right. Alright, let's crack it open. Ooh, there's the chocolate. And here is the toy. So here is the adorable Olaf charm. And here are the other ones that you can get in the Frozen collection. So far we got the Olaf charm, the Anna charm, and the Sven charm. Looks like you can collect some figures too. Alright, Queen Elsa, bring it on. I hope Logan likes this. I picked the Anna egg out special just for him. Good job. Elsa, you want to help him open it? Yay, good job. Alright, let's see what the prize is. Ooh, you got a Queen Elsa ring. That's beautiful.
No, bigger snowman.
No, we didn't get the big go away snowman this time. We got a really cool Elsa ring. And here is the really cool Elsa ring. It was getting a little fogged over because it was inside the frozen egg. But it is a very, very cool pink heart ring. And yay, we're the Care Bears. Oh, great. We're the Care Bears. Oh, come on, Grumpy. How often do you get to bring chocolate surprise eggs to little boys? Oh, I don't know, like every day. Oh, well, you're right. So we have here some penguin chocolate surprise eggs for our friends Logan and Quentin. So let's bring them to them. Alright, Grumpy. Okay, Tenderheart. Let's bring the eggs. Okay, I think I'm going to give mine to Quentin. Oh boy. I guess that means I have to give mine to Logan. That's okay, I like Logan. Alright. Okay, boys, open up those eggs. Quentin, you need to get it out of the box first. Let's open up the box.
Mama.
These are chocolate surprise eggs. And they're from Penguins, so I'm going to help Quentin first. Ooh, and look at that. His egg is perfectly cracked already. Good job. And then let's help Logan.
You can have Bratz
Oh yeah, yours is crumbled.
and crack.
Well, that's okay. Let's see what you got.
Mine?
Ooh, stickers! Wow, these are fun stickers.
Oh, we'll find out.
Oh, cool.
Put it out.
Yep, hey, I see you. One of them fell out. It's right here. And here's the different things you can get. So you got stickers, and here's the one that fell out. And let's see what Quentin gets. Ooh, Quentin got a fat penguin. Oi, oi, Captain. You did good. You guys both did awesome.
You put it out?
Whoa, cool. All right, thanks, Care Bears. See you soon.